This video sponsored by Value Testers. Great promo offer on Testo, Fieldpiece, and Bacharach. Free 2-day shipping on purchase of $200 or more on selected seasonal testing equipment. Link in description below.
Morning guys, September 4th, 2018. This one here I got a call for no AC from insurance company, guy I know. So I'm on my way over there. I've worked for him in the past. He said he's been running the AC since 8 o'clock and it's 12 now and it's still not cooling. So that doesn't sound good. But anyway, we'll go over there and see if we can help the guy out. Not running at all. I don't know if he's got it on inside or not. We'll check it. It's an old unit. How you doing?
What's up? It was filthy.
Yeah, you gotta change the filters.
Yeah.
Alright, so we'll check it outside. Probably a capacitor that's not running. The wires right there. The wires are hanging over there.
Oh, that's been like that forever.
No, it ain't. That's the wires we need right there. Who tied this shit up?
I have no idea. I didn't even see it till I went up to see with these guys that.
That's our problem right there. I gotta go shut it off inside and reconnect it, but it's not gonna run like that.
I'm wondering if they knocked the wire off.
See it? We'll fix it.
Yeah.
I mean, I'll shut it off inside and fix the wire. Easy fix. Just ran it along there. Tied it in right here. That should work now. We'll find out. We'll see if it works.
Oh, it's hot.
Yep.
And the poor guy put a delay.
It's got a delay on it, so I've got a 5-minute delay. It's got a 5-minute delay on it, so I did shut it off because you'll burn the transformer out here. See if it works. So I don't know who disconnected the wire, but it was all tied up over there. I don't know. This thing's pushed off the flipping pad. Unbelievable. Flipping hack job. Somebody pushed it off the pad. Unbelievable. Running. Just wrapped the low voltage around there, tied it in, she's off and running. Right there, suction's 80, superheat, some cooling, 95 outside. .5 superheat. 95 at 76, so it's 29 superheat right there. Yeah, that's our charge. She's fine. I don't know what year it is, but it's a 22 unit. This charge is fine. Leave the charge right where it is. It's fine. Been working all these years. The only thing I don't like about it is it's been pushed off the pad by quite a bit. Somebody whacked into it. I don't even want to touch it. You see where the pipe's all bent there. I'm gonna let them know about it. We probably won't do nothing until it dies. Insurance company here. Well, he's got his neighbor's garage here. He says he keeps backing into it. Keeps backing into the condenser. This guy here, the garage, his neighbor. I work for that cat too. You can see it. I told him about it. He knows about it. That's what it was, low voltage. Unbelievable. Somebody had wrapped it all up over there on a wire, so lucky he didn't fry the transformer. Okay. You a licker? Oh, I know you are. You are one licker.